Hey cruise fans and fellow foodies, welcome back to Eat Enjoy Cruise News. Today, we've got some massive news coming from Carnival Cruise Line. They've just dropped some exciting details about their 2027-28 winter season, and it's a game changer for fans of their giant Excel class ships. If you love Mardi Gras, Carnival Celebration, and the upcoming ships in the class, you're going to want to hear this. Carnival has officially announced they're adding shorter itineraries to their Excel class programming. This is huge. Up until now, these magnificent ships have mostly stuck to longer, week-long voyages. But that's all about to change. The trendsetter here is none other than the Mardi Gras. She's set to become the very first Excel ship to offer shorter cruises, and she'll be sailing them right out of Port Canaveral. Christine Duffy, the president of Carnival Cruise Line, said it best. With a new Excel ship coming to Port Canaveral in 2027, they're excited to offer more ways for guests to experience these amazing vessels. She mentioned that since Mardi Gras introduced so many new features, like the first roller coaster at sea, it is only fitting that she takes on another first as the largest ship ever to sail short cruises. So let's break down what this means for the Mardi Gras after 3 final week-long voyages in May 2027. She's going to start a brand new schedule. This new schedule includes 4- and 5-day sailings to the Bahamas, all timed with the arrival of the new ship, the Carnival Festival. Starting May 22, 2027, you can hop on a 5-day cruise that will visit 3 incredible ports: the new Celebration Key, the stunning Half Moon Cay, and the ever-popular Nassau. If you're looking for an even quicker getaway, they've got you covered. Kicking off on Memorial Day weekend, May 27, 2027, Mardi Gras will start offering 4-day cruises. These will be perfect for a long weekend, visiting 2 ports, Celebration Key and Half Moon Cay. Can you imagine enjoying all the amazing food, fun, and that bold roller coaster on a short trip? It's going to be fantastic. Now, what about the Carnival Celebration? Don't worry, Miami's favorite fun ship isn't going anywhere. She will continue her year-round sailings from Port Miami, extending her popular 7-day Eastern and Western Caribbean itineraries from May 2027 all the way through April 2028. For the Eastern Caribbean sailings, starting May 2, 2027, you'll have a variety of destinations to choose from. The lineup includes Celebration Key, Amber Cove, Grand Turk, St. Thomas, St. Martin, San Juan, Half Moon Cay, and Nassau. And for those who love to celebrate at sea, there's a special New Year's sailing departing on December 26, 2027. That cruise will visit Celebration Key, Amber Cove, Grand Turk, and Nassau. What a way to ring in the new year! For my Western Caribbean lovers, the Carnival Celebration has you covered too. Beginning May 16, 2027, these cruises will include stops at Celebration Key, Cozumel, and Isla Tropical, which you might know by its former name, Mahogany Bay. It seems like Celebration Key, Carnival's new exclusive destination, is a star player in almost all these new itineraries, which is something to get really excited about. And the Excel class family is only getting bigger. Carnival also reminded us that in the spring of 2027, the Carnival Festival will join the lineup, followed by her sister ship, the Carnival Tropical, in 2028. That means more opportunities to sail on these incredible ships. It's a great time to be a Carnival cruiser. The future is looking bright, fun, and full of amazing new destinations and shorter cruise options on the biggest ships. That's the latest scoop for today. What do you think about these new shorter cruises on the Mardi Gras? Are you excited to check out Celebration Key? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Eat Enjoy Cruise News. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy cruising. Hey cruise fans and travel lovers! Got some huge news for anyone on the East Coast, especially if you're in the Mid-Atlantic. Get ready to add a brand new home port to your cruise planning map because Philadelphia is officially getting a new cruise terminal. That's right, construction has officially begun on a massive 16-acre terminal right next to the Philadelphia International Airport. Mark your calendars because this new hub is set to open its doors in April 2026. Just in time for the city's huge celebrations for the United States' 250th anniversary. The timing is just perfect to put Philly on the map as a major cruise departure point. Now, this isn't just a small project. This is a game changer for the region. The new terminal is a partnership between Philiport, Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings, and Energy Transfer. In fact, Norwegian has signed a 7-year deal to make Philadelphia its exclusive home port through March 2033. This means all three of their fantastic brands, Norwegian Cruise Line, Oceania Cruises, and Regent Seven Seas Cruises, will be sailing from the city of brotherly love. They're starting with a commitment of 41 sailings per year, which is a big deal. Port officials are projecting this new terminal will create over 2,000 jobs and inject a staggering $300 million a year into Pennsylvania's economy. Jeff Theobald, the CEO of Philiport, praised the commitment from Norwegian and Energy Transfer, saying a lot of hard work went into making this happen, and that they were excited to welcome passengers in the spring of 2026. So, what ship will be kicking things off? Say hello to the Norwegian Jewel. This beautiful 93,502 gross ton ship, which can host over 2,300 guests, will start sailing from the new Philiport on April 16, 2026. During that first summer, the Norwegian Jewel will offer fantastic 7 to 9 day cruises to beautiful Bermuda, and you'll even get an overnight stay at the Royal Naval Dockyard. Imagine having all that extra time to explore. As the season changes and we head into fall, the itineraries get even more exciting. The ship will switch to longer 10 and 11-day voyages to Canada and New England. These sailings will alternate their home ports between Philadelphia and Quebec City. Starting in September 2026, you will be visiting incredible places like Halifax in Nova Scotia, the charming Bar Harbor in Maine, Charlottetown on Prince Edward Island, and historic Boston. It's the perfect way to see the stunning fall colors. This new terminal is part of Philadelphia's bigger vision, a plan called Destination 2040, which aims to dramatically expand the port's infrastructure and focus more on passenger operations. Norwegian will be handling the design and construction of the passenger terminal itself, so you can expect a top-notch experience from the moment you arrive. A representative from Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings called this a strategic milestone and said the terminal represents the next wave in our commitment to innovation, regional growth, and delivering an unmatched guest experience from ship to shore. So what does this mean for you? If you live in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, or anywhere nearby, you're about to have a super convenient new option for cruising to some amazing destinations. No more long drives or flights to other ports. We are so excited to see this project come to life. A new cruise port is always cause for celebration, and this one in Philadelphia looks like it's going to be a huge success. What do you think about this news? Are you excited to sail out of Philly? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for all the latest cruise news and travel tips. We'll see you in the next video.